Hi everyone. Do you want to apply to study at Buffalo City TVET College? I'm Lerato and here's a step-by-step guide on submitting your Buffalo City TVET College online application. Careers Portal is your one-stop shop when it comes to finding learnerships, internships and bursaries, as well as any information you may need about studying and your future career. South Africa has 50 TVET colleges spread across the country that help students gain skills that they will need to find employment in South Africa. One of these colleges is the Buffalo City College located in East London. Buffalo City College has 4 campuses located in the city of East London. These Buffalo City TVET College campuses include the East London campus, which is the School of Business, the John Knox Walkway campus, which is the School of Engineering, the St. Mark's campus, which houses the School of Business and Engineering, and then the King Street campus, which is the School of Occupational Training. If you want to be a student at Buffalo City TVET College, you must submit a Buffalo City TVET College online application on the Buffalo City TVET College website. From there, you must visit the official Buffalo City College online application portal. Scroll down to Please Select and select yes or no when they ask if you've already started an application. Then read and accept the POPI clause. After that, you need to complete the application by following the prompts. When you're done, you must submit all your necessary documents and pay the necessary fees. The documents they need include a grade 12 certificate, statement of results, latest school report, or a DHET certificate. They also need a copy of your ID and the ID of your parent or legal guardian and proof of residence. Applicants can also visit any of the campuses to book an online application session where a staff member will help you with your Buffalo City TVET College application. Applicants will also need to do a placement test after admission and registration. If you attend Buffalo City TVET College, you can apply for NSFAS to cover your fees. NSFAS provides a bursary which covers tuition fees, accommodation, and learning materials. Watch our other videos to find out more about applying to NSFAS and anything else you need to know about TVET colleges. Let us know what course you want to apply for in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.